Okay, this is day 6 and the grout is in. They have grouted. Have white grout. And over here with the black we have like a charcoal type grout. And then I also asked them, and they have to get the grout, they have to wipe it next, but I changed the transition here, so I like that white strip a lot better there. And then I also asked them to regrout my floor, which I had this floor put in a couple years ago when I started renovating. And so it looks a little bit better. The grout lines were really dingy. So I asked them to just regrout this so that I come back and wipe it clean. But that looks a whole lot better. Yeah, I had that done. So I guess today they'll put on, tomorrow they'll put on the fixtures and paint the ceiling and put in the light. And then I'm going to actually change. I had these when I first just started fixing up a little bit. I changed the countertop. You can see. And I put in these sinks and this, but I'm gonna change this to black to kind of match the black theme. So I have that already, so I just gotta switch them out. Okay, that's it. Hey guys, so I don't know what day we're on at this point, maybe day 6 or 7. So the fixtures are in. I was supposed to have this up as well, and it did not get communicated, which I'm not a happy camper about that, because I do like the spray. You can take it off, and so I'm not pleased by that. But you can see the other jets are in, and then they came in and painted the ceiling. The light needs to go up, so that'll probably go up tomorrow. All the grout is done, and also the caulking looks like that's been done. Okay, so today, I think day 8 maybe, I've lost track. The contractors came back and they went in through the back side of the wall to add my sprayer, which they forgot to put up originally. So that's the look that I wanted, with the sprayer there, the shower head, and the jets there. And then we have the niche on the back wall. So the only thing that's missing is I got a little light that needs to go up. And then I'm gonna order the door later because it is over budget. The glass doors are extremely expensive. So I am gonna order it, but not right now. So that's that. And then the floor looks a lot better. I had them regrout the floor. So that looks a lot better. And I need to change out the fixtures, probably change those to black here. And this is like 2 years old. I had these put in. So I'm gonna switch this out. I have some black ones, and I'll just sell these online somewhere, Facebook or something. But I have some black ones to put in for there. And so I'll have to switch this out. And this one, and probably the light. At some point, I'll look for a light. But anyway, the shower was the project, and the shower is pretty much done. So, thank you for watching this journey with me. And until the next project.